Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is we have the square and this length are equal. These two angles are equal and this blue line is x and this red line is y. How can we calculate x divided by y? How can we solve this? Let this length is 1, then this length will be also 1 because these two lengths are equal and all the sides will be equal to 2. So this is 2 and this is 2. These two angles are equal. So if this is x degree, this will be also x degree. Now from this triangle, we can write tangent x equal to 1 by 2. And if this angle is x and this angle is x, this will be 2x, so this angle will be also 2x. So from this angle we can write tangent 2x equal to 2 divided by x. We know that tangent 2x is equal to 2 tangent x divided by 1 minus tangent square x. So tangent 2x is 2 by x and 2 tangent x, so 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 square. If we simplify this, we will get 2 by x equal to 1 over 3 by 4. We can write this is x by 2 equal to 3 by 4. If we simplify this, from here we will get x equal to 3 by 2. Now y will be equal to 2. The side of the square is 2 and 2 minus x. So 2 minus 3 by 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2. And then x by y will be equal to 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 and x by y will be equal to 3. And this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.